Hi best friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you my quick and easy lazy way that I put my wig on with Got to Be Glue. Now this hair is from Tinashe Hair. They sent me 3 bundles and a frontal. The longest length is 28 inch and the frontal is a 20 inch I believe. So it's 28, 26, 24, 20 inch. And it comes with a pamphlet and a mirror. So you guys, I did my nails on here. If you haven't seen that video, I am going to link it down below. It's a quick, easy DIY. So yes, make sure you guys watch that. But this is the hair. I did not have to pluck the hairline, and I did bleach the knots. The ends of this hair was very dry, so when I washed this hair, I did deep condition it with silicone mix. You guys know that's my jam. And this is the wig and the construction. I make this with my sewing machine wig. Let me know if you see my how to make a wig video down below. I have 3 videos out, 2 handmade and 1 sewing machine. Let me know which one have you seen. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna take my this is my next to nothing foundation from MAC. This is a super thin, lightweight foundation. You want something light if you're going to use makeup to, you know, disguise your lace. Alright, so I'm going to use this foundation and I'm going to just buff it all over the lace, because since I'm not using actual glue, this will work perfectly. After I apply the foundation color, I'm going to take my Got to Be Free spray and lightly spray it across the lace, because I'm trying to lock the color in and I don't want it to fade too quickly. I'm also going to apply that same foundation color to my stocking cap on that band, because I do not want anybody to be able to see that band underneath my wig. So I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to just go over the lace. I'm not going to add any more product. I'm going to just lightly dust that around the hairline, just to make sure that I got every single piece of the lace around my hairline colored to my skin color. Now in the beginning of the video, my lace looked a little bit darker, and that's because I use my contour. I like to put my wigs on after I do my makeup now, only because I don't get that darkness on my hairline. But because I did my wig first and then did my makeup, my lace got darker because I used my contour. So yeah, I just want to say that, because a lot of y'all gonna be like, y'all lace not been blending. Yes, it is, and you gonna see it in this video. But when I did my makeup, that contour got me. So I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray and glue, and I'm gonna mix both of them together. This is just an eyelash tray that I use to mix the 2 together. So I'm gonna put some Got to Be gel, and then I'm gonna spray some free spray. I'm running low, so I got all that I can out of that can, and I'm gonna mix it together with a makeup foundation brush. Okay, so I designated a makeup foundation brush just for this situation. You want your concoction to be very sticky and gooey like this. Mixing them both together is going to give you the best outcome. Your wig will last you a good like 4 days with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna lightly put it around my hairline. Okay, now this is gel, it is not glue. It is made to go on your hair. Alright, if you apply it right and your wig is not small or it's not too big, your hairline will not be pulled. As you can see, I have all of my edges. A lot of you guys be tripping. But yes, I am putting it on my hairline and a little bit above my hairline on my skin as well, because I want my wig to sit how it normally would sit when I'm using not Got to Be glue, but bold hold. So I'm just going in with thin layers, and I'm going to make sure I put that all over my hairline. Now this is very tacky, and it's going to get even tackier, so it's going to be easy for you to lay your lace down. So this is my little trick when I'm just lazy and I don't feel like dealing with glue, and I just want to put this when I want to put my wig on and like easily take it off in a couple of days. This is something that I tend to do. And I've been doing this a lot lately only because removing glue is just a headache. So once I have it all over my hairline, I am going to go ahead and apply my lace down. And I also want to make sure I notate that you want to apply thin layers, because if it's too thick, it's going to seep through the lace, and that's not what you want, okay? So I'm going to blow dry my hair on warm, and I'm going to keep doing it on warm until it's almost dry, like almost completely dry, and then I'm going to turn it to cold, because what that does, it lets you feel what area is still wet or damp from the Got2b glue spray concoction, okay? So I don't know if that makes sense. So you want to blow dry it on warm, and then once you think it's dried enough, just turn your blow dryer to cold and blast your hairline to see which areas is still wet, and you want to go focus on that area to make sure that it's still dry. So after you feel like everything is good, you want to take your Got2b free spray, and then you want to spray it around your hairline and your hair wrap, and you want to tie your hairline down until everything is completely dry. And this is what mine look like. She is molded to my head, and I'm like, that thing ain't going nowhere. So this is your opportunity to cut your lace off. And if you have a hair like mine's, it's easy for you to just mimic your hairline, put the glue on your hairline exactly how it is, and then lay your lace down and then cut the lace as it's sitting on your hairline, and you'll have a hairline that mimics your natural hairline. And it's so bomb. Like that's the key, because I was always trying to figure out, like, how do I make my wigs look like my natural hairline? And that's the key right there. Just mimic your natural hairline when you're putting the glue or the gel or whatever down. At this point, I'm just gonna wet my hair. I did not use any products on this wig because I did want it to get big. So I did not use any products on the actual hair, but on the hairline I used some mousse just to like mold the hairline down. And after I used the mousse, I combed it in, and then I wrapped my hair one more time, combed my hair all the way through, make sure there was no tangles, and let it air dry all the way. And this was the final outcome. Do you guys still use Got2b glue? I find myself using it more now than before, especially since I'm changing my hair a lot, and I don't want to stress out my skin and my edges or my hair with, you know, removing glue so much. So do you guys still use Got2b glue, or are y'all still on the glue wagon? Like, I think there needs to be a product that's in between, something that holds like Got2b glue but not as drying as Got2b glue, because I find myself, after I'm removing it, I have to really condition my hairline to make sure that the moisture is there, because that product has a lot of alcohol in it. So yeah, you guys, let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns. Feel free to leave them down below. Thank you, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video. And I have another Got2b review coming up. They have a new hairspray, and I want to show you guys because I actually like that one too. So yeah. Until next time, bye best friends.